For nearly a quarter century, Quantum University has challenged convention and redefined natural, holistic, and integrative health education. Now we're making history once again. Introducing Quantum University's first ever vocational program, the Professional Biohacking Practitioner Program. A new chapter in practical, career-focused education, where cutting-edge wellness technologies, immersive hands-on training, and evidence-informed learning come together to prepare practitioners for the future of health optimization. Built around two integrated learning experiences, you'll combine comprehensive online education with an unforgettable 3-day practical training experience in Sarasota, Florida. Led by Dr. Tara Denise and Dr. Spella Perk, you'll learn from experienced practitioners at the forefront of biohacking, integrative wellness, and human performance. Begin each day with guided meditation and coherence training before stepping into interactive workshops, practical laboratories, and hands-on technology demonstrations. Share ideas over lunch, collaborate with fellow practitioners, and finish each day with networking dinners that build lasting professional relationships. Learn by doing as you gain practical experience with advanced wellness assessments, biohacking technologies, regenerative wellness and stem cell strategies, AI-assisted wellness planning, healing chamber technologies, and more. Then deepen your understanding through Biohacking Foundations, our comprehensive online learning experience that provides the scientific framework behind everything you'll experience in person. Together, these two learning experiences prepare you to confidently integrate modern biohacking into professional wellness practice. Whether your goal is to expand an existing practice or create an entirely new professional pathway, you'll graduate prepared to apply your skills in wellness centers, private practice, integrative health environments, and independent wellness consulting. Upon successful completion, you'll earn the Professional Biohacking Practitioner Certificate and become eligible to pursue the board-certified Professional Biohacking Practitioner credential through the American Naturopathic Medical Certification Board and the American Association of Drugless Practitioners. The program has also been reviewed and approved by the American Naturopathic Medical Accreditation Board. As your career evolves, so do your opportunities. Continue your professional development with a 1,000-hour practicum pathway toward a Quantum University PhD program, 3 months of platinum membership to the Quantum University Alumni Association, and an expanding community of practitioners committed to advancing the future of wellness. History has its firsts, and this is one of them. Join the inaugural Professional Biohacking Practitioner Program. Applications are now open.